Welcome to Tactical Reviews for a look at a couple more of the insect repellers from Nitecore. I've previously looked at a much larger version, the EMR10, but now we have the smallest, the EMR05 and the EMR06. The 05 actually doesn't have any form of battery on board. The EMR06 does have a built-in battery. So just before we get on to a bit more information on each of the individual units here, let's just take another look in terms of scale, how the EMR10, which is not actually the largest of the Nitecore insect repellers, there is a larger model than this, but in terms of ease of carry, obviously the EMR10 has two 21700 cells in it, so there's some significant power bank capacity as well. The EMR06, which includes a built-in battery, so that can run just as it is, and the EMR05, which requires external power to run, but is then the smallest of all to carry. The EMR06, so this is the one with the built-in battery, and it has the Nitecore Molly mount system, which is extremely effective, very easy to fit and remove, and then we have this dovetail which slides into the mount, very easily removed again. So here with the built-in battery, we only have one indicator light and a power button here, but we can find out what the power level is with a quick double tap. And you might have seen there that we had 4 flashes followed by 2. So I have just recharged this, so it's indicating 4.2 volts, so nicely fully charged. Nitecore have these double size repellent mats. So here we have a typical insect repellent mat, and you can see the double size. So the double size ones fit and fill up the whole unit. For both this and the smaller, and the EMR05, and also the other units I've looked at, you can use standard size mats if you have to, if you've run out of the Nitecore double size, and what you can do even is just put a single one into the center and you can run it like that. So I'm just going to clear that one out. In fact, you can see now, having pushed this mat through, that we've got 2 score lines from the retainers inside. There are 2 retaining wires to keep the mat from falling out. This one, having the built-in battery, needs a little bit of protection against accidentally turning it on. Obviously all of this is safe to handle and touch when it's running, so even though the heating element does get pretty hot, you can't get to it and it's not going to really burn anything. But what we do in order to turn it on is we have to do a brief tap and then a long press. So tap, press. I didn't do that quite quickly enough previously, and now we can see the indicator light is on. Press and hold to turn off. So that's the EMR06. So starting off with the EMR05, with a side-by-side with the 06, so not having the battery on board, and we save quite a bit of size and a bit of weight. I'll do that in a minute. Similarly, it has the adapter for the molly mount. Again, dovetail slides into place, clicks and released. So again here it's designed to take the double tab, and again you can use single normal tabs as well. You always use another one to push the previous used one out. So here of course we have it's not going to do anything because there's no power, so let's get an external power source, USB-C, and because we don't need any protection, we just press and hold because you just don't have it connected if it's not running, and you can see the indicator lights are on there. And this power bank, which is a Nitecore, it's gonna show us what the wattage for this unit is. So it's going up to 3.6, 3.7 watts. So turning off is just a press and hold, but with this one being an external battery pack, you can turn it off by pulling out the cable. So that's the EMR05. So just as I touched on briefly, the weight saving of not having the battery on board. So this is very small and light anyway. So we have just under 70 grams, and the EMR05 is 41 grams. So you can carry this if you have a power bank anyway and just not know it's there. So just rounding up here, really very small, neat and effective devices for being able to use insect repellent mats and have the minimum of weight to carry. The EMR06 with the built-in battery, and the EMR05 with the external pack required. Thanks for joining me, and remember, get informed, be prepared, stay sharp.